This video demonstrates how to set up Office 365 email signature in Sigsync. Follow these steps to set up Sigsync email signatures for your Office 365 tenant. Step 1. Register and configure your Office 365 tenant. Step 2. Create a signature template. Step 3. Set signature rules. Step 4. Add SPF record. Step 1. Register and configure your Office 365 tenant. To centrally manage email signatures for your organization, you must first register and configure your Office 365 tenant with Sigsync. Navigate to the Sigsync homepage and click the Sign In button. Let's sign in with your Office 365 tenant account credentials. Click the Add Tenant Now button and follow the wizard to complete the tenant registration process. For more details on registering and configuring a tenant, refer to the Register and Configure Your Office 365 Tenant video. Step 2. Create a signature template. After you register your tenant, create a suitable email signature template. Select the Signature Gallery tab from the Sigsync dashboard. Sigsync provides hundreds of professional templates that are suitable for all your business requirements. Let's pick a template from the template gallery. You can use the same signature template or modify it as per your requirements using the various drag-and-drop and toolbar components available in the Sigsync editor. For more details on signature creation, see the Create and Design Email Signature Template videos. Step 3. Set signature rules. In the third step, set signature rules to define the conditions for your email signatures based on senders, recipients, and keywords. You can also set the rule execution flow. Click the Signature Rules tab. By default, Sigsync creates a default rule with the most common settings. You can keep the default rule or create a new rule and assign it the required signature template. For more details on setting up signature rules, watch the Set Email Signature Rules video. Step 4. Add SPF record. Add the Sigsync domain to your SPF record to notify the receiving servers that our service is authorized by your domain to process the email. This helps to prevent receiving servers from marking your emails as spam, junk, spoofing, or phishing. From the dashboard, click the SPF Records button and follow the details to add Sigsync domain to your SPF record. That's it. Start sending emails from Outlook, and your email will be attached with the signature. Try Sigsync for free today.